I want to give you an example, like which I personally liked. So everyone can cook something on the kitchen, right? Kind of, you
All
can, I
right.
don't know, boil eggs and like fry some sausages, and you can put some pizza in microwave, but it doesn't make you a chef, right? It doesn't kill restaurant business at all. You have a car or you have a bike, you can go to, to Chipotle or kind of Starbucks, buy this bicycle and buy a coffee or a pizza or like taco. You can buy it in the restaurant, but somehow you order it through the service, like Uber Eats or DoorDash or kind of Glava, whatever. So you use service which basically you can do yourself. Like, why? Because it's convenient. So you remove a lot of additional activity from yourself, kind of to buy some ingredients, to prepare a dish, then to clean the all those plates and forks and so on, like in cups. You just go to restaurant, you say that I'd like, let's say, pad thai or whatever, and you have pad thai in your plate, and you don't care, like you pay for this, that's it. uh,
Yeah, you get
but
it. Yeah.
yeah, but like you can open Google Maps in your city and search for restaurants, and you will see thousands of restaurants, right? They are not dead just because you're able to boil eggs on the kitchen. So that's the same situation with SaaS products. The regular company uses more than 100 plus different SaaS inside to run the operations. Kind of every department has 10 plus of SaaS applications that are used. Imagine that you need to build them yourself, but then you also need to support them, make sure that someone will wake up in the night and fix the problem if server goes down, and also someone needs to follow all those changes in the technological stack and update all those libraries and improve all those algorithms. I mean, this
I,
is
I,
crazy.
I don't think you
This
can
is
do that as a prompt that quickly.